Paper Sisters.
Hi guys, welcome back to Rock Paper Sisters, and today we're going to show you all about farm animals. My name is Maya. My name is Noah. And before we get started, we wanted to show you the names of the farm animals and then sing you a little bit of the song. First there's the cow, then horse, then pig, oink, 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 oink. Then rabbit, chomp, 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 chomp. For the goat, maybe. And then there's sheep, there's ducks, and chickens. Bok, 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 bok. And sometimes maybe cats and dogs. Yeah. And let's sing you the song. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Everywhere a moo moo moo. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Everywhere a oink oink there. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And did you know that we are going to be making pigs and sheep for today's video, and they are farm animals. Yes. And did you know cows have bottom teeth only? Not top. And did you know I have a wiggly tooth? And did you know there's one chicken, 500 faces. Wait, chicken recognize 500 faces. Yes, like even though chickens look the same, but he still recognized 500 faces. Yeah. And did you know that chickens eat worms also? And
that was so good.
We are so excited to do this video with you and learn all about farm animals.
Yes.
And rule number 1, always have a pig. Rule number 2, wash your hands.
That's right.
Wash your little dirty hands.
Welcome everybody to our show today. We are going to be doing farm animals, and like we have already told you, Maya and Noah have already shared with you all about farm animals, and we'd like to know what your favorite farm animal is. So for today's ingredients, you will need marshmallows, large and small, chocolate chips, Oreos, and some Frosty, banana, and some chocolate, whatever chocolate you have at home. We have caramel and chocolate chips. We have Cheerios, marshmallows. And let's get started. I'm so excited. Welcome back, girls.
Hey, we're not welcome back.
So, we made little piggy.
I'll show it to you. So we made a little sheep right here, and another sheep which kind of looks like a porcupine, and now here is our piggy. I'll show you the pig.
So cute, huh?
When shows the ears, it looks like a real piggy.
Yeah.
It's not a piggy made out of candy. It's not like a pink one with a weird nose.
But it's so cute.
And the third rule before we get started.
Yeah, let's always have some water, especially it's so hot outside. Here's my water too. Thank goodness it's hot outside, right?
We've been wanting to have a picnic with sheep and piggies.
Right? So,
and did you know that it's hotter than yesterday?
yeah, it's hotter than yesterday. So excited.
God,
We love this weather. So farm animals, let's discuss a little bit about them. So Maya and Noah have already shared with you some of them. So can you remember what they said one of the animals are?
Yeah. So one of the animals could talk through the shells before they're even hatched. Like when the mother talks to the little chicks in the shell, then they talk back even before they're born.
Do you remember which animal that one was that she's talking about?
It's chicken.
Chicken. Good
Well,
job.
can I tell you something about a different animal? Horse. They stay for 25 years.
Yes, that's right. They live for 25 years.
Wait,
Good job, Noah.
Is it the one that pigs could run 11 miles for 1 hour? And that's a lot. You know, pigs are sometimes fat.
Yeah, and
they could run 11 miles in 1 hour. That's a lot. 3 miles, I don't think we could even run that much. And the man can only run that fast.
Yeah.
Adults.
And you were saying about horses. So horses, they live for 25 years and they also have 250 bones in their body. Can you imagine? That's a lot of bones.
Did you know also chickens? Chickens has a lot of things, but I have another one. Chickens are one of the closest face to, how do you say it?
A T-Rex.
A T-Rex.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Because the face looks like kind of the T-Rex.
Well, their DNA, meaning like, remember in the olden days, millions of years ago, there was dinosaurs?
Yeah.
So apparently, the chicken is the closest relative to a dinosaur.
And Mommy,
how cool is
there's
that?
like a lot of 25 zeros.
Yeah, so we were talking to Noah, what was your favorite animal?
I want to pick horse.
A horse.
And my favorite animal is a horse. Can I hear you say horse? Good job. What does horse start with? Good job.
Hey!
And my favorite animal in the farm, I think might be a sheep because they're not that wild. They're just like furry. And did you know sheep? We could carve the sheep, but not carve the sheep to make the clothes for us.
You can
But not
cut
too
the
much.
sheep's
Yeah,
wool, the fur.
And
And
the
the blow
soft.
but not too much.
No, or no. Can I please hear you say sheep? Good job. What does sheep start with? S and H to make the sound. I know it doesn't start with 2 letters, but sheep, you have to pronounce S and H.
That's right. And did you know, Maya, that sheeps also, they have the best memories. They remember you. It's so awesome.
And they lived for
They live a long time.
11,000 years already.
No, that
was a joke.
no, that was a joke, right?
It's just that we knew that that sheep lived for a long time, so we wanted to make it.
Mama, look, they're starting to make it around.
So I think so sometimes people get confused with sheep and goats. So the goats, they've become people's pets for over 11,000 years.
What?
Just like a dog and a cat. We can actually have a pet goat in our house. Does anybody want a pet goat in their
I
house?
don't think I want.
What about you, Noah?
Boys and girls, could you tell us what favorite
what?
animal is yours comment down below which animal is your favorite, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you like farm animals. And now we're gonna get started.
Yay!
And I think I want to get started with that sheep.
The sheep? Sure.
Yeah, so can I have my
Yes, here you are.
And this is the part you need a parent to help you cut.
Yes, let me cut it for you, my love.
My dog wants to go out.
Our doggy wants to go outside.
Our doggy's famous
See, we
too.
love pets. And we have a pet dog. What kind of pet do you have at home? Let us know. So what we're doing is,
We cut it in half. That's why we need a parent. That's why we always say to always have a parent.
cut the large marshmallow in half.
Ooh, I think I can make a baby one because this looks a little bit little.
So, Noah, what are you doing?
So you want to take a few marshmallows to make it like the fur, just like that one. And then you want to take frosting or icing.
Not peanut butter. Doesn't go with candy.
No.
You want a knife? So make sure to always have a pair in here when you're using knives. These are plastic knives, so they're more safe. So the frosting is used for
Mama,
glue. It's like the
can
glue
you
that
spread
holds it
it?
together.
Yeah.
Can you spread
Sure,
it?
I can spread it.
And remember, it's okay if you make a mess. That's having fun.
My favorite part is making it.
Yeah. That's what he do in cooking. When he
Mom,
makes
it's not done yet.
You want me to put it all over? So, to
Okay,
reconstruct the actual one, we're gonna cut up another marshmallow. I can give you another piece of a marshmallow, Maya, to put it on top.
No, I can get it. I can get it. Thank you, Mama.
Okay. So, I'm gonna put the two halves on top like that. And then I'm gonna take the little baby marshmallows, little mini marshmallows. But first I'm gonna use the frosting as glue. And I'm going to just put a little frosting on the top of the marshmallows. What are you doing, Maya?
I'm just starting to stick the marshmallows on for the fruit.
Me too.
So it's so much fun. So just like that, we stick the marshmallows on top. So Noah's making a sheep on a cracker. So if you have crackers at home,
Cracker sheep.
little circle Breton crackers,
Cracker sheep.
cracker sheep.
And I'm all done. So for the
Ooh.
face, you would want to
Show
take
me.
a piece of any chocolate that's or brown or black. I don't see a chocolate that's black, but you
And-
want to take the chocolate, split it in half, take 2 chocolate chips, put the icing on the face, and then glue it here to make the face, and then you'll all have your nice little sheep.
Love it. So much fun. This is
So
mine
you want to
so
put
far.
a little icing, because if you put way too much, it'll cover it up.
Yeah.
And you want to do it on this side.
And one more thing, don't put too much marshmallows, then it'll be a big.
It may be a
So but maybe
porcupine.
it'll be a mommy sheep.
Or a porcupine.
I'm not making porcupine.
But you can make any animal at home that you'd like. We just chose a sheep
Dad,
because
this is my favorite.
we love sheep.
Yummy.
And I think it's really easy to make.
And we love piggies also.
Mm.
Yeah, so we decided to do piggies too.
Oh no, my marshmallows are falling off. That's okay. Thanks.
All done. So boys and girls, I'm going to show you what mine looks like. It has the marshmallow for the base, for the body. You stick marshmallows on with icing, and then you take the chocolate and put 2 little eyes. Here, I'm going to serve it around. Anyone want some? Nom 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 nom.
Looks so
That's
good.
okay. Well,
Well, that
now
looks so
this
good.
is-
Why don't you take a bite of it?
This is
See if
one
it's
of
good.
the best parts to try it. If it falls off, it's okay. Just try to take the whole thing out.
I'm done too.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Whoa.
How? Oh, I love it. That's awesome. Huh?
Because almost everybody, like I made that. We almost made everything. We're gonna make the piggy all together. All together, not one each.
Mommy,
So,
I don't want to ruin my creation.
that's okay.
So we can put it aside for after.
So,
Can I get yours?
I'm
This
gonna
is
make.
mine.
I'm going to make the waffle.
Oh, you're gonna make your piggy now? I put a little bit of seaweed on the bottom for grass.
So if you want, you could take Oreos, any kind of cookie for the eyes. You don't need icing because it doesn't really need a stick. Can you pass me the banana? Banana.
Yes.
Banana. I'm a banana. 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 Banana.
Everybody's having fun at home.
Look, and this is what you need a parent for. Wait, can I please have one?
I'm a little chocolate ball.
You?
I'm a little chocolate ball. You want a chocolate
So
ball?
we know. So there's one ear,
Yeah.
and here's another. I'm all done my piggy.
Aww.
And really, it was so fun making this piggy and all the things that we like to show you about farm animals.
I think this is so fun.
I love waffles. I'm a look.
Oh my gosh.
This is so good.
We're doing so good, and we're so happy that you joined us today.
And we had a lot of fun showing you all about farm animals. And if you want to come see a lot of our videos, please give this video a big thumbs